Hello, my name is Richard. Welcome to Learn Mandarin with Richard. First of all, I'm going to talk about how to say hello to people in casual occasions. So the Chinese word for hello is hello, hello. Or you can say 你好, 你好. Or you can combine the two together to become hello, 你好, hello, 你好. Next, we're going to talk about how to say my name is in Chinese. The first way to say it is 我的名字叫，我的名字叫，我的名字叫。我 means I, 我的 means my, 名字 means name, 叫 means to be called. So, 我的名字叫 means my name is called. Okay, the second way to say my name is 我叫，我叫，我叫。我 means I, 叫 means to be called. So, 我叫 means I am called. The third way to say my name is 我是，我是，我是。我 means I, 是 means am. So, 我是 means I am. Okay, let's review again how to say my name is in Chinese. First way to say it is 我的名字叫，我的名字叫。The second way to say it is 我叫，我叫。Third way to say it is 我是，我是。Next, I'm going to teach you how to say It's my pleasure to meet you in Chinese. You can say 很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。It's my pleasure to meet you. Now this sentence actually comes from 我很高兴能认识你。我很高兴能认识你。我 means I. 很 means very. 高兴 means happy. So, 我很高兴 means I am very happy. 能 means to be able to. 认识 means meet. 你 means you. So, 我很高兴能认识你 literally means I am very happy to be able to meet you. Now here we can delete 我 and 能, which is shortened to 很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。It's my pleasure to meet you. The Chinese word for everyone is 大家，大家。大 means big, 家 means family, a big family, everyone. Here, you can try to say, It's my pleasure to meet everyone in Chinese. 很高兴认识大家，很高兴认识大家。It's my pleasure to meet everyone. Next, I'm going to teach you how to say what's your name in Chinese. 请问你叫什么名字？请问你叫什么名字？请问你叫什么名字？请问 means may I ask. 你 means you. 叫 means to be called. 什么 means what. 名字 means name. So, 请问你叫什么名字 literally means may I ask you are called what name. 请问你叫什么名字？请问你叫什么名字 Here we can delete 名字 We can delete 什么 And we can also delete 请问 But be careful with your tone because you don't want to sound impolite to people. Because 请问 is a very polite form that we commonly use in Chinese, which means may I ask? You can also delete 名字 You can also delete 什么 So what's your name can be shortened to 你叫 Okay, so the second way to say what's your name is 请问你的名字叫什么？请问你的名字叫什么？请问你的名字叫什么？请问 means may I ask? 你的 means your. 名字 means name. 叫 means to be called. 什么 means what. So 请问你的名字叫什么 literally means may I ask your name is called what? 请问你的名字叫什么 Here you can delete 什么 which means 请问你的名字叫 Or you can delete 请问 which becomes 你的名字叫什么 Or you can delete both 请问 and 什么 which becomes 你的名字叫你的名字叫 Okay, so let's review again how to say what's your name in Chinese. The first way is 请问你叫什么名字请问你叫什么名字 The second way is 请问你的名字叫什么请问你的名字叫什么 Hello 我叫 Richard 我叫 Richard 很高兴认识你很高兴认识你请问你叫什么名字请问你叫什么名字 Hello 我叫 Richard 很高兴认识你请问你叫什么名字我叫 Tom 我叫 Tom 很高兴认识你很高兴认识你 Now try to practice using the sentences I've taught you. With your friends or with yourself, try to introduce yourself in Chinese. Next of all, I'm going to teach you what to say in formal occasions when meeting new people. Hello, of course, you can say 你好 or you can say 您好您好您 is composed of 你 plus 心 which means heart. 您 is a very polite way to call people. Next of all, I'm going to teach you how to say my name is. My name is. Of course, you can say 我的名字叫 You can say 我叫 You can say 我是 Or to be more polite and humble, you can say 毕姓毕姓 plus your last name 名叫 plus your first name 毕姓 plus your last name 名叫 plus your first name So 毕 means shabby 姓 means last name So 毕姓 literally means shabby last name Today, for example, your name is Wang Xiaoming Wang Xiaoming Wang as the last name, Xiaoming as the first name. How would you put Wang Xiaoming in the above sentence? 毕姓王名叫小明毕姓王名叫小明 Okay, let's review again how to say my name is in formal occasions. 我的名字叫我叫我是毕姓名叫毕姓名叫 Next, I'm going to teach you how to say May I have your name please in Chinese. May I have your name please? 请问您贵姓请问您贵姓请问 means may I ask 您 is the honorable way to say you. 您 贵 means noble.姓 means surname is, or surname is called. So 请问您贵姓 literally means may I ask you noble surname is. The second way to say may I have your name please is 请问怎么称呼您？请问怎么称呼您？请问怎么称呼您？请问 means may I ask. 怎么 means how to. 称呼 means call. 您 means you. So 请问怎么称呼您 literally means may I ask how to call you. May I ask how to call you? 请问怎么称呼您 Okay, let's review again how to say may I have your name please in formal occasions. 请问您贵姓？请问您贵姓？请问您贵姓？请问怎么称呼您？请问怎么称呼您？请问怎么称呼您？ Next of all, I'm going to teach you how to say, it's my honor to meet you. Now, we've already learned how to say, it's my pleasure to meet you, right? It's 很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。Now, the Chinese word for honor is 荣幸。荣幸。So, it's my honor to meet you means 很荣幸认识你。很荣幸认识您。很荣幸认识您。Let's do a little practice right here. 您好，我叫王小明，请问怎么称呼您？我姓陈，叫我 Richard 就可以了。就可以了 means that will do. So 叫我 Richard 就可以了。叫我 Richard 就可以了 means you can call me Richard. Calling me Richard will do. 陈先生，您好，很荣幸认识您。So here, B already said his surname is Chen. So A can call him 陈先生。先生 means Mr. 先生。先生。Now, if you want to say Mrs., you can say 太太。太太。If you want to call Miss, you can say 女士。女士。Or 小姐。小姐。So in this case, if the person is a female, you can call her 陈太太 or 陈女士 or 陈小姐。很荣幸认识您 Richard. 很荣幸认识您 Richard. Let's repeat this dialogue again. 您好，我叫王小明，请问怎么称呼您？我姓陈，叫我 Richard 就可以了。陈先生，您好，很荣幸认识您。很荣幸认识您 Richard. Alright guys, thank you for listening. I hope you can practice the sentences that I've taught you again and again and try to apply it in a real conversation. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I'll see you next time.